Lower your vehicle's window and clean inside the channel. Remove all packaging from your new wind deflectors. Remove the backing from the adhesive tape. Offer up the wind deflector into the correct position and insert the front edge into the window channel. Gently flex the deflector and push the top and rear edges into place. There are 3 clips for each front deflector. Rear deflectors only require 2 clips, one at each end. Use the provided clip tool to insert the clips into your window channel. When fitting the clips, ensure that the sharp point is facing inwards. Insert the first clip into the lower left edge, the second clip into the top middle of the window channel, and the third clip into the top right of the window channel. Ensure that all of the clips are pushed fully into place. Gradually close the window in small steps. If the window has difficulty closing, support the process by pushing upwards on the window with your hands. Repeat the process on your vehicle's remaining windows. Once installed, keep the window closed for 24 hours to allow the adhesive to bond and the clips to set into place.